The country I'm going to discuss is naturally acquiring land. Countries have struggled over regions throughout history. Every country desired to have a larger territory than the others. Wars have been fought. There were casualties. Economies were destroyed. Some countries had to settle for lesser areas, while others gained larger ones. There are still various difficulties, wars, and tensions going on throughout the world in order to obtain or preserve land. However, there is one country that is expanding territory without fighting wars. Iceland is the country in question. It is gradually expanding its area. Let's look at here at Stories Revealed. Iceland is a one-of-a-kind and distinctive country. Iceland boasts the largest glacier in Europe. Iceland lacks an army, an air force, and a navy. Iceland is also the world's only mosquito-free country. There are no McDonald's either, but we are not going to speak about any of this today. Instead, we shall discuss why this country is expanding in terms of size. Iceland, a nation in the North Atlantic Ocean with a land size of 103,000 square kilometers, is rated 107th in descending order of area. It is somewhat larger than South Korea but slightly smaller than Guatemala. It has a population of 366,000 people and a population density of 3 persons per square kilometer, making it the least densely inhabited country in Europe and 5th least densely populated country in the world. Mongolia, Western Sahara, Namibia, and Australia are close behind. The population of density of 3 persons per square kilometer will continue to fall. This is due to the fact that Iceland's territory is expanding on a daily basis. The expansion is natural. The expansion is caused by tectonic plate movement. The North American and Eurasia tectonic plates divide the Iceland roughly in half. Iceland is located along the mid-Atlantic range. The North American plate is shifting west, whereas the Eurasian plate is shifting east. The movement causes the interior of the Earth to erupt, to cool, and form the landmass in the space formed by plate movement. The plates are sliding at a rate of 0.095890411 mm per day on average. While it appears to be small length, when we multiply 0.095890411 by 365 days in a year, we get 35 mm per year, or 3.5 cm every year. Still, that doesn't seem like much. However, it is splitting throughout the whole length of Iceland, from south to north. So, to put things into perspective, let's look at the real landmass that Iceland is acquiring each year. The length of the plate meeting runs through roughly 475 kilometers from south to north. That is, the continent is drifting apart at a rate of 3.5 cm per year across a span of 475 kilometers. As a result of multiplying these two numbers, an area of 0.016625 square kilometers is generated each year. In 10 years, a 0.16625 square kilometer area will be formed. To put this in context, a size of a nation like Vatican City is 0.44 square kilometers. Iceland will add 0.44 square kilometers in just 27 years. Monaco has a land area of 2.02 square kilometers. This much land will be added to Iceland in only 125 years. In short, Iceland will gain the size of Vatican City and Monaco combined in 157 years. While this computation expects Iceland to be among the world's largest countries after millions of years, this proposal envisions Iceland connecting Greenland and Europe. If this occurs, the land distance between the United Kingdom and Greenland will be only 2,600 kilometers. Furthermore, if you construct a few artificial islands off the coast of Greenland into Canada, the fantasy of driving from Europe to America by land will come true. All of this, however, is unlikely to occur unless we rescue our planet. While the land gain is a benefit, Iceland is not without concerns due to climate change. Global warming and greenhouse gases emissions are causing glaciers and ice sheets to melt. Almost all of Iceland's glaciers are expected to disappear within the next 100 to 200 years if no action is taken. This will result in an increase in sea and ocean levels, putting the islandic Iceland at risk of sinking. Iceland, on the other hand, intends to be carbon neutral by 2040. The islandic effort alone will not be enough to save Iceland and many other island countries across the world, including the Maldives and Indonesia. Every country in the world must come up and take action to defend our mother planet. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video from our channel.